Hello YouTuber, what we are doing today, we are restoring a headlight. Okay, this light is real dull. Okay, what you need to restore this is, what we got here is a little buffer from Harbor Freight. What we need, I mean, this is not the best to do this, but we got some turtle rubbing compound, so I gotta work with what I got. Okay, and we got some turtle wax, we got some broadside tape, and what we got here is 1200 sandpaper, and what we got here is a bucket of water. Okay, let's get this started. You sun it wet. This is not the best compound, but I usually use 3M compound, which give it a best job. So let's see how it come out with this one here. Okay guys, this is what we get. This headlight was all and dull. Okay, I had a couple little scratches, but came out beautiful.